start with spot trading. So what is spot trading? Spot trading is the buying and selling of crypto assets. Now let me give you an example. All right, so let's say you right here is called John, and you have $50 to do spot trading. Now you can go ahead and look out for coins like, let's say, Bitcoin, which is called BTC, and let's say BTC is currently at $25,000. So you're going to use this $50 to buy Bitcoin at the price of $25,000. So let's say after 3 months, Bitcoin went to $50,000. Now what this simply means is Bitcoin has moved up by 100%. So it simply means you've made 100% of your money. That way, 100% of $50 is extra $50. So plus your initial $50 capital, now you have $100. Now you've actually made yourself $100 over the past 3 months of holding Bitcoin. So this is actually how it works. But there are a lot more coins than just Bitcoin. If I take you to this website called coinmarketcap.com, you can see that there are a lot more coins aside from Bitcoin. You can see Ethereum right here, XRP, USDT, BNB, Solana, Cardano, Doge, Tron, and you can see a lot more coins. If I scroll down, you can see we have up to page 109, and each page contains 100 coins, which means we have over 10,000 coins available on CoinMarketCap. But there are even a lot more coins, more than these 10,000 coins, that are actually existing, which you can actually buy any of them by yourself. Before you can start trading these cryptocurrencies, you need platforms called exchanges. These are the platforms that let you buy and sell these coins on their platform. Now, some of the popular platforms we have include Bybit, Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Mexi, BitGet, and many other exchanges which I can't mention right now. But the thing is, some exchanges are restricted to a particular location. Now, there are some exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and many other ones which you can only use in the US. Although right now, you can also use Binance in Nigeria and some other African countries and Asia. But just that you can't deposit your Naira on Binance and convert that to your USDT. You can only do that on Bybit and BitGet. So if you are in Nigeria, I would recommend you use Bybit and BitGet to deposit Naira on your platform so that you can use that to start trading. Now, if you are in Europe and some other countries, you can use OKX and so many other exchanges. Now, what I'm going to do for you is to leave the links to all of these platforms in the description. Just go ahead and sign up for all of them using my links in the description. Alright, so before I will show you how to do spot trading, let's start with how you can deposit money using P2P on these exchanges so I can use them to start trading. What you need to do is, after you've signed up on any of the exchange with the link in the description, then the next thing to do is to verify your account. Now, once you're done with verification, then you're good to get started with doing spot trading. So to do that, I'm going to use Bybit for this example. So I'll go ahead to open up Bybit, and right here, this is the homepage of Bybit. So first thing is, for you to start trading here, you actually need to deposit your money, and there are 3 different methods you can actually deposit money. The first method is P2P, which is peer-to-peer. The second method is using your card to deposit money. And then the third method is by sending cryptocurrencies from another platform over to Bybit before you can use it to start trading. But let me show you how to do P2P. It's simple. Just click on P2P and you're on the buy section right here. You put in the amount you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy like 1 million Naira. You're going to type that here. And just filter this by these 2 options here. Click on this and go ahead and look for any person that is online. So I found this person here with 4 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and type the amount, 1 million Naira. That's going to give me $635. I'm going to click on buy. So next I'm going to click on pay now. And you can see his account details, which I'm going to blur right now. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead to send the 1 million Naira to this account and click on payments completed. So make sure to also keep your payment receipts because they are going to ask you sometimes to send it to them. So you go ahead and do that, and your money will be deposited in your account right away. So once you've deposited the money in your account, you can go ahead and click on assets, and you would see this money right here. You can see I have 102 USDT right here. I didn't actually pay the 1 million because I was just doing that to show you how to actually do it. So, but I already have some funds which I want to use in this video. Okay, so since you have your money in your funding account, you can see there's one more account there which is called Unified Trading Account. What I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this money. I'll click on transfer and make sure funding is at the top, unified is at the down, and then I'll select USDT here. You can see USDT. Then I'll click on max. I want to use all of the money. Click on confirm.
The moment I do this money is going to move to my unified trading account. Now I can use it to start trading cryptocurrencies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on market and I'll click on hot. So you can see a list of all the coins right here. So if you want any coin, let's say BTC, you're going to click on it and then buy it. But let's say you can't see the list of the coin you're looking for in this list. You can just come here and type the name of that coin and it will show up right away. So I'm going to buy